We position the rod on the reference mark. This is the axis number 6. It's kind of difficult to see the dot right there, aligned with that mark on the left, and we have aligned the number 5 with this mark, the number 4 with this mark, the number 3 right here, and the number 2 with that signal or the bolt. It's kind of a bolt right there. So we are gonna do the calibration. So to do the calibration, you have to go to calibration, robot 1, update the revolution, and we are gonna just do let's select all and remove just the number 1. We need to do the number 1 separate. Update. Okay, so now we have to move the arm almost vertical in order to be able to set the axis number 1.